Thank you for checking out Front Range Exteriors. We are your one-stop shop for all of your home improvement needs and can do anything having to do with exterior and interior painting and staining, replacement windows and patio doors, roof repair and replacement. We can also help you with your insurance claims, gutters and gutter leaf protection, garage doors, skylights, exterior doors, new or replacement siding in vinyl, cedar, or James Hardie fiber cement, stucco restoration, and new stucco oversiding. We also do concrete floor coatings for garage floors and basements, and offer the full product line of home organization by Organized Living. As a company, we are local in Colorado Springs, veteran-owned and family-operated, and we are licensed, bonded, and fully insured. Please take a look around the website. There's a lot to see, and please give us a call to set up a free no-obligation estimate at 719-434-2435, or ask us about your home improvement ideas through one of the many contact forms here online. Front Range Exteriors, improving Colorado one home at a time.
Front Range Exteriors can service your entire hail claim to make your home whole again. Don't fall victim to those storm-chasing roofers. We're a family-owned business who have helped over 2,000 of our neighbors repair and upgrade their homes.
Call Front Range. They did a phenomenal job on our house, and they worked closely with our insurance company.
Ask about a free impact-resistant shingle upgrade for potential insurance savings.
Front Range Exteriors, improving Colorado one home at a time.